curious minds, ready to unlock the secrets of our amazing world? Let's get started. There is an entire invisible universe hidden right in front of your eyes. Welcome to the microscopic world. To see things smaller than a human hair, scientists use a powerful tool called the compound light microscope. The secret lies in refraction. Curved pieces of glass, called lenses, bend and focus light to enlarge images. It all starts at the bottom with the light source, projecting a bright beam upward through the machine. The light hits the stage, a flat platform holding a thin glass slide containing our tiny scientific specimen. Next are the objective lenses. These rotating cylinders hover just above the specimen, providing the primary magnifying power. The light travels up the body tube to the eyepiece, or ocular lens, where you actually look inside. To find total magnification, multiply the eyepiece power by the objective lens power. 10 times 40 equals 400. To see anything, we use the Coarse Adjustment knob. It moves the stage rapidly to find the image. Then, the Fine Adjustment knob makes tiny, precise movements to sharpen the resolution and make the picture crystal clear. In the 1600s, scientist Robert Hooke used early microscopes to look at cork, discovering and naming the very first cells. Today, we look at pond water and see millions of living, swimming microorganisms totally invisible to the naked eye. When light isn't enough, scientists use massive electron microscopes. They shoot electron beams to see individual atomic structures. Microscopes are the ultimate medical tool, allowing doctors to isolate and identify the exact microscopic bacteria making you sick. From plant cells to human DNA, microscopes prove that the smallest building blocks create the entire living world. Remember, light travels through the specimen into the objective lens and up to the eyepiece to magnify reality. The unseen world is waiting. Stay curious and keep zooming in on science. If you like this video, like, share, and subscribe to Tender Intellects for more such fun videos.